we're not actually limited to just one argument when we're basically defining function. Let's actually add in another argument. So let's call it int count. And so what we'll do with this is we'll basically specify the number of times that we're going to print this symbol. So we're going to swap this out. Instead of 20, well, we can just swap it out for count. If you notice, we don't need to say char symbol, right? And then separately int count. That is because in the case of us defining them within here, right? So I'm getting a redefinition error, right? By virtue of us putting the variable names within the parentheses, we are basically declaring them as local automatic variables, right? Local as in symbol and count. These two variables will not be available within the main function, only within the print line function, our print line function, right? And automatic in the sense that we don't need to redeclare them as I have in these two lines here, right? So now we're going to use our functions. So we're going to say print asterisk, right? Let's say we want 3 times, and we're going to print the dash maybe 5 times. So compiling and running, we see we get 3 asterisks and 5 dashes. That gives us a lot of flexibility because now we can basically pass any number of variables really into our function and modify the behavior based on what's passed into the function. Of course, we need to develop the business logic in order to make use of those values. But nonetheless, it offers us a lot of flexibility.